I'm going to show you how I cook corn on the cob in the microwave. So, let's have it. Okay, you want to take your corn, put it in the microwave. This is a 1,000 watt microwave, so I put it in for 2 minutes. And we'll let that cook, and we're gonna see what's the ending result is. Okay, it's all finished. You want to hold it with something because it's hot. Flip it over, turn it around, hold it. You want, that's the end of it right there. So you want to cut about right there. Cut that off. It's gonna cut very easy. That's off. And you just squish it out. You can take your knife to help it out. And it'll just come out and it won't nice and clean. There it goes. There it goes. Look at that. Nice and clean. You can't get no better than that.